Here I have ALCATEL 3X 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to hold down power key, and after this menu appears, just hold your finger on the power off button, and after you see this window reboot to safe mode, just tap OK, and your device will be restarted in the safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which means that you are now in safe mode. As you can see, you can't access internet apps in the safe mode because internet is not safe for you. So if you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in the normal mode. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.